Hi, I'm Amy Karanik. I'm a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the dual-end detail tools. The dual-ended detail tools comes in a set of 3. Each tool has a metal ball end and a flexible shaper on the other end. The metal balls come in 12, 6, and 2 millimeters, and the flexible shapers are in a chisel and 2 cone shapes. Let's take a look at how each of these work. The 12 millimeter ball tool is really nice for rolling in texture and depth into a larger area. Now on the other end we have the large cone shape, and that is great for smoothing seams and for adding texture and detail to long swooping areas like this. It's also great for smoothing seams. The 6 millimeter ball tool is my favorite for pressing in these petal shapes. I just roll from the inside outward and it creates this beautiful little edge along the edge of my petals. Then I have this nice well in the center to drop in my centerpiece for each flower. On the other end there's a chisel tip and it's very flat, and that is great for making straight line details. The 2 millimeter ball tool is really nice for adding all these little details. I like it for doodling in different shapes and textures. It's perfect for poking in the tiniest of details. The other end has the smaller cone shaper, and it is really nice for small petals and small leaves to add a lot of texture and a lot of design elements to your piece. The handles are made from polypropylene and it's completely compatible with polymer clay. The Sculpey dual-ended tool set is great for all types of projects from jewelry to home decor.